Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do slow motion in DaVinci Resolve 16 and get that slow-mo effect overall. So it's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is make sure there's a video in your timeline, just like I have here, and then you just want to make sure you click on the blade tool right here. Just click on that, and what you want to do is you want to cut where you want the slow motion to start. So I'm just going to find a position here where I want the slow motion to start, and then I will go ahead and cut it. So I'll start it right here. I'll do my first cut, and the idea to get the best cut is to put the red line where you want to cut. It just makes it a lot easier. So you just want to drag it like this over to where you want to cut, and then we'll go ahead and cut it again right here, just like that. And after you're done doing that, you just want to click on the video clip that you cut out. Then you want to right click on it and then go to change clip speed, click on that, and then you can adjust the speed of the clip right here. So let's just do like half speed, let's do 50%. And then you can also change the frames per second here. I'm just going to leave this one the same. And then I'm just going to click on change. And then it will adjust the speed like that. And then we'll go ahead and check it out to make sure it worked. And as you can see, it changed my speed a ton. Let's go ahead and play it again here. Slow motion. Looks really, really nice. Anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.